school, the number of students and the rate per student. She would like to see on each worksheet total changes for each instrument and total number of students and total charges for the school. The rate per student comes from the rental rate worksheet, but he would like to come from a separate workbook. He would be also like to able to share the workbook with the music director at each school so they can update the number of students for each semester. That is our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, or you can contact me on my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. So we will move to our first step now. Our first step is start Excel download and open file the name CH07Music XLS. Your name will automatically added to the start of the file name. Save the file name. I have already opened the Excel file. This is our Excel file. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is when the worksheet are grouped, what do you do on one worksheet happen to another worksheet? Group the value through Mills worksheet. Create a formula in the cell D5 to D15 to calculate the total charges for each student. So we will go to the cell D5. Cell D5 is the total charges for the all students. We will just group this value. We will just press Control button, then we will click on Mission Jupiter Mills. So now our worksheet are grouped. We will put is equal to formula in the total charges cell D5. Put is equal to, then multiply number of students with the rates per student, that is B5 multiplied by C5 and press OK. In this way we will get total charges on the students, and we need to apply this formula up to D15. We will copy this formula up to D15 by dragging down. Just drag down up to D15, so you will get the formula in the up to D15. You see, you can check this one formula by using this. So it's multiplying this each one. That's our second step. Our third step is with the worksheet still grouped, format the cell C5 to D15 with the accounting number format with the no decimal. So we will select C5 to D16. We will D5 to C16. We will go to we will press Control 1. So we will get our ribbon. That is our customized ribbon. We need to apply the accounting number with the 0 decimal places and press OK. So we have applied 0 decimal places and accounting number with the 0 decimal places. That's our third step. Our fourth step is entering formula into group worksheet is very efficient way to simultaneously create a new data in the multiple worksheet and is the same as entering the data in the grouped worksheet. In the cell B16 and D16 with the total worksheet still group, calculate the total number of students and total charges from the school and ungroup the window. In the here you can do these steps by two things. You will just put some formula here and here then this step is also done. But we need to follow the instruction. He is asking us to calculate the total number of formula. We will just select B. We will just select B5 to B15. We will just select B5 to B15. Then we will press Ctrl and we will select D5 to D15, and we will go to the editing in the home ribbon, editing, and we will go to the total. Here we will press total, so we will get in the total in the cell B16 and D16. So in this way you will get the more points rather than applying some formula here. You will get points by following the instruction. That's our fourth step. And ungroup the worksheet. So we will go to the ungroup the worksheet. Just right click on any worksheet and just ungroup this ungroup sheets. You will select this one as a ungroup sheets. Now the sheets are ungrouped. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is a 3D reference. Allow formula and function to use data from cells and cell ranges across the worksheet. On the summary worksheet, enter a 3D sum function in the cell B5 to B16 to calculate the total students for all schools. So we will go just to the summary worksheet. Here we need to put a 3D sum formula B5 to B16 to calculate the total number of for all schools. We will just press is equal to sum, and then we will go to the first one. We will select the what we need to select, calculate the total students. We will select the students value, then we will press comma. We will go to the mission, then we will select the cell B5 from the second one, then we will press comma, and then we will select the third one. We will press then comma, and then we will select the comma and no, not here, mills, and we will select the number of students, and we will close our brackets and press enter. Why we have a mistake, we put mills as a 2 times, so we will remove 1 mills. Now we will get our results. You see we have got our result here as a 64, and you need to just copy this formula up to B16. So we will get our results. You see we have got our result like that. That's our fifth formula. Our sixth formula is to save your time in formatting the summary worksheet. Use fill across the worksheet to copy the content and formatting from C5 to D16 from the Mills worksheet to summary worksheet. So we will go to the Mills worksheet. We will just copy which one, C5 to D16, C5 to D16, copy, Control C, and in the link summary worksheet. So in the summary worksheet you will press this one as a paste, this one as a paste this one, so you will get your result. You don't need to put a formula here or multiply formula or anything or drag down just this one. copy this one and paste it here. So this will copy the format here and you will get the results at the end of this. So that's our six steps. We have total 11 steps of this assignment. If I have performed 6 steps in this, and if you need help about the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and my WhatsApp link is given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen, or my email address is also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you need help in exam, quiz and homework of any subject, any academic subject, you can contact me, and I am sure and I will guarantee you for 85 plus score. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get the new video updates. Thank you.